es prête? Rends les choses faciles. Et c'est chez moi. Hey you guys, thank you for stopping by my channel and welcome back. So today I did win this giveaway from Criminal Claws store, and these are her acrylic lines, and I will be leaving everything in the description below, her link and to her store, and also my discount code to get 10% off on all her acrylics. So I'm just showing you everything that I got in this beautiful giveaway that I had won. And the first thing that you saw was the mermaid shimmer, and I'm showing those little, I also showed the little glitter pots, and I also got some cuticle oil, the apricot cuticle oil. Everything is that I'm showing you is on her website, and at the end I will be I will be giving my review of how I like the acrylics and everything. So so I'm just, as you can see, I'm taking everything out of the packet, and she did really package this really good. I had a hard time opening up the acrylics. I had to get the hubby to open it up, and he just opened it up like it was nothing. So all right, so here's everything that I got. The cuticle oil smells so good. It's called apricot peach cuticle oil. It is in a 1 ounce bottle, and it goes for $6 on her account. On her website. So I'm just showing you how it, it looks, smells so good, and it does absorb really well. So if you do decide to get the cuticle oil, you will really enjoy the cuticle oil. So I'm just showing you the glitter pots that was also in the giveaway. I didn't see these on the website, but these are really gorgeous. And this is the mermaid shimmer. I never used this before, so I'm kind of excited to use it and see what I come up with. All right, so next I'm going to be showing you the swatches of the acrylics, and I won't be talking through the acrylic swatches. I might drop in maybe once or twice just to kind of show you, just to kind of give my thoughts on how I felt about the acrylic. If I don't drop in, I will be dropping in at the end to give my review of the acrylic. So I am going to go ahead and shut up and let you guys enjoy the swatches. I also wanted to come in and let you guys know that these colors are the swatches. The acrylic is true to its colors. That green is really pretty. The purple is gorgeous, and this pink, I love this pink. But my favorite color, all of them is beautiful. The orange, it has like a little shimmer in it, and I did do a nail set with the orange, and it came out really, really gorgeous. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet so you guys can continue to watch the swatches. Oh, also these jars, they do come in a 1 ounce jar, and on her website they do go for $11.50. That's not bad for a 1 ounce jar. And like I said before, you can use my discount code to get 10% off at checkout, and I will leave everything in the description box down below. also want to come up here and say that these acrylics is very beginner friendly. I'm not too good with acrylics right now. I am practicing, but when I used her acrylics, OMG, like it was so easy to apply the acrylic, and it is not watery, is not, it is really, like I said before, it's really beginner friendly. This one, she didn't have the name of it, so she told me that it was cherries and berries. And this glitter is like, this is a chunky glitter. I never worked with chunky glitter before, but yo, this chunky glitter is no joke. It's really pretty, really pretty.
Amores, saber que hay que esperar.
Alright, so that's all the acrylics that I want in the giveaway. And like I said before, this is really beginner friendly. And like I said before, I will leave her link in my description box down below, and you also can go ahead and use the code, my code Bronzy10, for 10% off. And right here I'm just showing you the colors, and they're really vibrant and just so gorgeous. I really love her acrylic collection. She does have you can buy the acrylic in individuals, and she also have collection. I believe right now she does have, by the time this video come out, I believe she has a sale going on with her collections. And I know she's doing a giveaway again on her Instagram. I will leave her Instagram, and I will leave her website link in the description down below. So I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video and the swatches and everything. And I hope to see you guys. Oh, one more thing. If you're new, hello and welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you're an OG, thank you for coming back to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next upload. Until then, toodles.